Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to access and enable logging for buckets in the web interface. To do this, we are going to press the Settings button on the bucket that we want to enable logging. Then, make sure to enable logging as a setting and choose the grantee key, the bucket in which files for logs will be saved, and the name of the folder where log files will be saved. Once these settings have been configured, the bucket is now ready for logging. To get logging to start, first we upload a file of any size. Here, I'm going to upload a video file. Logging is typically done every 15 minutes or less on our end, so if you do not see the file immediately, please wait as one will appear. These logs will be stored in the log folder we made as the prefix. Once a log has been recorded, we can then access them in our designated folder. If we download them, you can see that they contain vital information as to which keys accessed files at certain times and many other metrics. If you have any other questions, please refer to our user guide.